Before this video gets started, I just want to go on record for saying that no cats were harmed in the making of this video. Also, the reason that Jynx was on a harness through the beginning of this video is because we were having a pest inspection and they were doing a preventative spray, and you can't have any pets inside the house. We only have the one carrier, which our other cat was in at the time, so I'm not going to jam two cats into one small carrier, and he does a lot better on the harness than she does. So, without further ado, here's the video. Jynxie, what's wrong? Okay, yeah. Jynx, come here. Come here. Stop. Come here. He's so mad. Are you mad? He's not happy. He just wants to run away and hide, don't you? Yeah. Oh, it's so dark. Jynxie. Meow. He's so mad. Okay, so we're in the car because I can't leave them in the house. Oof. I'm also not driving at the moment, so, but I will be. We gotta go get him a new collar, because his collar, Kuro keeps ripping it off, because it's just these little, where is it? This right here. See this? It just comes right off. So, we're gonna go get him a new collar, and I'm going, ooh, fucking cat. That's what I deal with. Alright. Say bye. Jynx, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Meow? No? Okay. Oof. So, what better place to bring your pet than PetSmart? Especially if they're on a harness. Jynx, look at me. Okay, it only took like 25 minutes to get here, but that was the longest fucking 25 minutes of my life. He kept getting in my face. I highly recommend, if you have to take, especially your cat, outside, to either practice having them harness trained before putting them in a car, or get another carrier. The reason he isn't in a carrier is because we only have the one, and part of the reason we're coming to PetSmart, besides his collar, is to get another carrier so I don't have to do this again. Ah! So cute. I know. Okay, here. You want down? What are you gonna do? He didn't want to just hide. Jynx. I've never seen him move this much on a leash. Here. Happy? No, he's so scared. Yeah, I know. Okay. We got them both in the carrier. I forgot to pull that out. Damn it. See, he doesn't like it, but he doesn't like being outside. What are you doing? I know. Okay, there's no video. I'm just putting the audio on so you guys can hear what I'm going to be hearing for the next 20 to 25 minutes. While he doesn't like being out of the house, he prefers the harness to the carrier. So Jynx, stop. You didn't like the harness. He likes the freedom the harness gives him. He likes the freedom the harness gives him without being confined. He likes being all over the car. The problem is, he also likes being in my face while I'm driving, and that's not okay. Honestly, we would have had a carrier for him earlier, like yesterday, before this whole thing. But my husband only gets paid on Fridays. So, Jynx, stop it. You're fine. Yeah, as you guys can hear, he is very not happy with the carrier. And although he's not happy with the carrier, it is safer for both me and him while I'm driving, especially. Now, if my husband or son were riding with me, which they're not, it's a school day, and, Krim can't just call off of work, then it'd be a different story because they keep him from getting up in my face. They keep him occupied. I prefer having Joshua riding with me when I have him in just the harness, because Joshua keeps him in the back, and he absolutely loves him. So Jynx loves Joshua. But when we get home, then I'll let him out of the cage, and then he'll probably run off and hide for a little while, and then come back out and start pestering Kuro. Like, all that yelling you guys hear in the background, that's all him. Kuro hasn't made a peep since I put her in the carrier, because she knows. It's also we've kind of, since she was a kitten, conditioned her to know that the carrier is a safe place, because anytime she did anything bad, we would, instead of, spanking her or whatever, we'd put her in the carrier for a good 10 minutes. Kind of like putting a kid in timeout, except in a cage. So she got conditioned to think that whenever I do something bad, when I'm in my carrier, I'm safe. Because, sometimes she'd do something really bad and it'd piss Josh off to the point where he'd chase her through the house, and as soon as she went in the cage, instead of trying to pull her out, he'd just close the cage. So there's that. Okay, so it's not 20 minutes, it's more like maybe 10, but still, longest 10 fucking minutes of my life. Traffic's running a lot smoother than it was earlier too, so there's that. You ready to come out? He's about tired. Shit, y'all saw. He's been fighting, trying to get out of the cage. He actually knocked it over earlier while I was upstairs getting some cleaning supplies. Right, Jynx? I gotta let him out and put his collar on. Let's see. Where did I put them? Because they were both being really good kitties, I decided to go ahead and it fell down. Get them. Oh, let me zoom out. Hold on. There we go. I need to mop. Sheba's Perfect Portions. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this off. Yeah, Sheba's Perfect Portions Savory Salmon Chicken Entree. It's like 89 cents at PetSmart. And I got this one because there's 2 of them, and I have 2 cats. So it makes sense. You guys didn't see or hear Kuro the whole time. So, there she is. It was a pretty girl. Anyway, I'm about to let the cats out. It's been long enough that the poison has either evaporated or dried. I ran a quick mop over the floor to get any extra stuff. I think it's like a couple hours before you're allowed to do that, so it's been a couple of hours. He's finally quieted it down, thank God. So I'm gonna let him out, put Jynx's collar on him, and then feed them. Okay, and there's one. There she goes. We still have to put all of the stuff back. Wait until Josh will get home to do that. Watch him bolt out of here. That paper thing he ripped down during transit. Jynxie. Alright, he still got the harness on because I had to fight him to get him in that cage, right? He's a little bastard. Right? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so see how... Okay. See how easy that was? That's why I got him this one. The one that actually... God damn it, there he goes. And here we go on a cat hunt. Okay, I know a lot of you are probably like, why don't you just leave him alone, let him reacclimate? Look. Oh, my son's room. He needs to clean his room. Come here. Yeah? See, he's fine. Hold on. This isn't tight enough. See, he's perfectly fine. I wish I could. Okay, it's not too tight. And there he is with his new collar. What you think, Jynxie? No, no, no. You are not allowed in there. There we go. Kuro has a light blue collar. He now has a red one. I got that collar from the dog section, actually. Alright, so that was my day with Jynx. Say bye. Bye-bye.